What's up, everybody? I'm gonna do a review on a shower head that I bought on Amazon, and I will let you know what's in here and if it works, how it works, and when it's installed. And yeah, let's get into it. So this is what it comes with. This is what it says in the back. It comes with these important pieces. Holy crap, you can't even see it. That. So far it comes with, and it has a button. Okay. Look at this. This is actually lightweight plastic. Also plastic. Nice. Orange. I think that's orange. Let's wait this baby right here. Let's see. I don't know what that means, but it's like a three-way splitter. Yeah. Oh, now this is the good part. This is supposedly stainless steel. Oh shoot. Stainless steel shower head. Look, I got my fingerprints in it. So it's like a mirror. You can see that? You can see me right there. So this is stainless steel, but this isn't. So I'm gonna get this installed and I will come back and let you know how this works. But I like this. They supposed to work like a dual shower together, or one or the other, but we'll see. I know I'm gonna get this dirty, so we'll be right back. This is the end result. I chose to put it there. You can put it anywhere you want, higher, lower, closer. And can you see me? Anyways, so this is what it is. And this goes back and forth. Let's turn this thing on. I'm scared. Look at that. Cool. It's got a button. Oh, it's not on yet? Okay, so I have to turn this. Hold on. Look at that. Wait, I just realized. So you could do one or the other. So you could dual. It had better pressure than mine, girl. Here it is in action. Both turned on, as you can see. It has a button up here. You turn it for one or the other. See? One, do the pressure. Or that one, or both. Use both. I would prefer maybe both, and maybe turn this one in and just get just be right there hanging. But yeah. Let me turn it off. I hope you was able to hear me in that video. So anyways, I'll repeat in case you didn't. So you can use both or one or the other, and that's pretty much how it goes. Dang, now I'm starting to think if you heard me, because that was, I hope I spoke loud enough for you guys to hear me. So I hope this video helps you on the shower head, and I will be back with more reviews. I give it the pressure is not insane. I can give it a 9. I do like the square part. I'm gonna give it an 8 now. The square part is stainless steel. The other one is plastic. The pressure, I can't really get into details about the pressure. I believe that my building's pressure isn't crazy, and I came to that conclusion because I had another one and it was more pressure, just light, and that was because I was just using one head. And now this one is kind of almost similar, so I believe that maybe it's because the building's pressure. But I do give it that like an 8.5, 9, because the handle one isn't stainless steel, but the big one is stainless steel, and it's like a mirror. Seen it? It's pretty awesome. So I do love it. I will, if you, where's the box? I don't know where the box is, but I will definitely leave the Amazon link in the bottom if you guys are interested. I like it. I'm not being sponsored by it. I bought it on my own because that's just something I wanted. I'm not sure how much I paid again, but I will leave the link. You can click it, figure it out from there if you like it. If not, it's okay. But I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.